Hi guys, so today's video, I'm going to be testing out a ton of new makeup, which I am so excited because there's a lot of stuff in here that I have been eyeing forever and I cannot wait to use it. But I also figured this would be a really good video to kind of create a summer look for you guys as well. So kind of like also using some of my go-to products in here. So I'm gonna be mixing things up. But without further ado, let's just go ahead and put some makeup on my face. Okay, so since it's summer and also since my skin has also been really sensitive since the pregnancy, I definitely want to be using a sunscreen. So I'm gonna be using the Drunk Elephant Ombre, I said that with like a rolling R, Sheer Physical Daily Defense. This is Protect and Preserve, and it's an SPF 30. So I'm actually going to open this up. It's a brand new one. And I'm gonna use this on my face. So I'm just gonna rub it in. I love Drunk Elephant products because they always seem to work for my skin. They have a ton of different SPFs. They just came out with this bronzy glow too, which I cannot wait to use, you guys. Oh my gosh, I know I'm gonna have to use that when I'm like self-tan, so I'm definitely gonna try that out here soon. So this feels nice and lightweight on the skin, really good for under makeup. Also, you can use this on your face, your neck, your chest, your back of your hands, because remember we have to protect the back of your hands. And then also it says use in conjunction with C Firma, which is their vitamin C vitamin C serum. So great, love this. All right, so next up I'm gonna use the Smashbox Photo Finish Radiance Primer right here. If you're oily, I would probably stay away from this. I am very dry right now and I really wanna do a fun like dewy look. Ooh, this has like a shimmer in it. Let's see how this looks on my skin. So I'm just gonna rub this in and I'm just gonna pat it in. It smells good. I also have brows on already just to save time in this video. I just used the Balm Ferocious Brow Pencil that I've been loving in the shade, what shade was it? Blonde. Ooh, that brought a pretty radiance to my skin. I like that. That brought a really pretty glow to my skin. Dude, if I didn't have like acne scars right now, I would wear this all on its own. It like brought my skin back to life, which it needs. It needs it so bad. I'm gonna be using the Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. You guys have seen me use this tons of times. This is the Mont Blanc one, because I am pretty fair right now. I'm just gonna use my beauty blender and apply this all over my face. Next up, I'm gonna go in with my concealer. This is the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Chantilly. This is light 1. This is like one of the few shades that work for me right now. You guys, I actually got a bathing suit finally. Well, I went to pee in the pod and I like went tons of shopping. I felt so much better to be able to fit in clothes like normal sizes, like for me again, because you know, maternity stuff, they'll give you like a little bit more boobage area. And then if you're smaller, like it just was really nice. So in that like process, I found a bathing suit that I really liked, but they forgot to ring it up and put it in the bag. So I didn't have it. I was so bummed because I was like, I've been craving going to the pool, like craving going to the pool. I'm a pool girl. I am not a river girl. I am not a beach girl. I like to be by the beach and look at it and be next to it, but I hate being at the beach because my mom always says, like with me, like even as a kid, I just hate to get dirty. So yeah, but I love the pool. So I finally ordered that same swimsuit that I tried on because I got it on, I think I got it like 30% off or something, which was really good because it's not cheap. But I'm so excited to finally be going. I have a swimsuit to be able to go to the pool in. Yes, so definitely lots of sunscreen because I am so fair and my skin is so sensitive right now. So I know definitely lots of sunscreen, a hat on my face. But just to get in that water, I don't know why, but I'm like craving that. I might have some freckles and I might have a little bit of a tan here soon, hopefully. Hopefully. All right, so before we go in with any powder or anything, I actually have this new product right here. This is from Farsali. This is the Jelly Beam Illuminator. So they came out with 2 new shades. They came out with Glow Up and I believe there was like Rose Goals. Rose Goals would look prettier if you have a deeper skin tone, but this one I think would be gorgeous if you're on more of the fair side. And it's like this really cool highlighter, you guys. It's like a jelly. Look at that. Look how cool that is. I'm going to put a little bit on my finger so I can swatch it for you guys. Oh, that is so pretty. So pretty. So I'm actually gonna take my beauty blender and dab it. Oh, that's a lot of product right there. It's a lot of product. Dab it in there. And I'm gonna place this in the areas that I want to highlight. So the top of the cheekbones, the nose, Cupid's bow. Yeah, It's really nice and subtle. You can kind of see it. I don't really see it a whole lot for some reason. Like, it gave my skin a glow, but it's more of a natural glow. I'm definitely gonna top it off with another highlighter on top. All right, so now we're gonna go into just setting the concealer. I'm just gonna use my Born This Way powder. I love this stuff, you guys. It's amazing. With my Sigma F87 brush, and I'm just going to set the area where I applied concealer. Then I'm gonna take my Mr. Right brush and just dust this over the other areas where I placed like foundation and stuff. Because if you do this, then it will allow any of your other powders to glide over it. And then I'm gonna dust it. I'm not gonna let that sit and bake for too long because my skin is dry. Dude, that jelly highlighter put like a weird film on my face. I don't think you guys can see it from there, but it put like a weird film. I've tried it once before and I liked it, but it didn't do this to me. This one for some reason did like this. Like wherever I applied it, it's just like broken up. And I didn't set my face, so that's really weird. You guys, I'd pass on that highlighter. Meh. For bronzer, I have been dying to try this out. Oh my gosh, it's been in that drawer and I'm just like, oh, can I just take it out? Can I just take it out? I was like, no, save it for a video, but I can finally take it out. This is the new Jouer one. This is the light to medium duo. So it's sunlight and suntan right here. So I think what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna bronze with this one and then we're gonna contour a little bit with this one. So I'm gonna go into my big fluffy powdery brush. This is like a multi-use brush right here, you guys. I use this thing for everything. And I'm just gonna put this in the areas where I want to bronze up my face a little bit. It's really pretty. Oh, I like this. You guys, this is a good one if you are super fair right now. They have a deeper one too that I think would be good if I was tan, but this one is perfect. Then I'm gonna take my Sephora 49 brush and I'm gonna go into the deeper shade and I'm gonna use this one to contour with. So I'm just gonna press it into the skin and place it where I want it. This is really pretty on the skin. It's literally just melting into the skin that looks like second skin. It doesn't look powdery. Just gonna press that in. Boom, I think that's really pretty. I like that. I like that one a lot. I have two blushes here. So this is a new one from NARS. This is Loves Me Not, and it looks like this. I thought this was really pretty, nice and like light. And then I have their cult favorite, the NARS Orgasm for that new NARS collection. Like they did a bunch of different things with it. So I got this one too. I like this color a lot. You definitely, oh, you know what? That is pretty. You know what? I think I'm gonna use this one, and then if I wanna add a touch of this one on top, I'm gonna do that. So I'm just gonna take my Smith 118. Gotta clean my brushes so bad, you guys. They're so bad right now. And I'm just gonna pop this onto the cheeks. That's really pretty. Okay, I think I'm gonna leave it as that. I think that's pretty right there. All right, so for highlighter is this new Cover of X palette that I got. This is the Gold Bar Highlighting Palette. It has 24 karat gold, white gold, and rose gold in here. So it looks like this, perfect for every skin tone. I think I'm gonna mix a little bit of the middle one and this outer one right here. So a little bit of white gold and 24 karat gold. Rose gold doesn't look as great on me. I'm getting a little nauseous right now, which sucks. It's because I found I can't drink apple juice anymore. It has to be watered down. Like half of it has to be watered down. And Joel was doing a what I eat in the day for me this morning because he makes me my breakfast every morning, but he forgot to water down the apple juice. And now I'm like suffering. I think I'm gonna take Tums or something. Maybe that might, it's like acid reflux, but a little nausea too. I should not have drank that, but I did, and now I'm paying for it. It sucks. Like with my second trimester, they usually say it's easier, you know, but my second trimester I feel like has been harder than my first. My first, I was just nauseous all day, every day, but I was really tired. This time it's like I'm tired most of the days. I'm nauseous sometimes. I have acid reflux really bad, and I throw up really bad if I eat something that she doesn't like. Like I have really bad food aversions. So I have to really watch what I eat, and I have to stay away from anything bad. I just eat a lot of fruit and a lot of smoothies now, and that has a lot of sugar and high calorie, which sucks, but that's what's been working out for me. Oh, that's pretty highlight. I like this highlight, you guys. This is pretty. They did a good job with this palette. I like this one. I didn't like the other palette I used. I think that was in like a recent video. That one was good. That's a good one. Okay, so for the eye look, I have a bunch of different palettes here. I have the Huda Beauty Warm Brown Obsessions. I hauled this a long time ago. I have yet to use it. I'm dying to use it though. But I also have the new Jouer Essential Jet Set one right here, which is also really pretty. It's all matte shades. So, and then, wait, One more. I have the Urban Decay Beach Eyeshadow Palette right here. So I have a lot of new palettes here that I really want to try out. But I also want to keep this look really light. Not light, but like not a lot going on the eyes. I want to keep it very summery and just kind of easy, you know? So I think I'm definitely gonna use these palettes furthermore in like more videos because I'm not gonna use that many shades. So I'm just gonna warn you guys right now. But first off, I'm gonna go ahead and take my Tarte primer. This is the Double Duty Beauty Primer. This thing is amazing. If you have dry eyelids, you will love this primer. If you have oily eyelids, you will hate this primer. A good like substitution for this if you're oily, go and use the NARS one. The NARS eyeshadow primer, that one is great if you're oily, but do not use that one if you are dry because everything will kind of crust up on you. I learned that one. Okay, I'm actually gonna zoom you guys in now. All right, so first we're gonna go in the Jouer and we're gonna take this color right here. It's just a matte cream shade. And I'm just going to dust this all over the lid just to set that primer to allow all my other shadows to glide over nicely. And I like using a fluffier brush because it doesn't pack too much on there to where it will dry out your lid. It will just lightly set everything. All right, so I'm thinking the star of the show, what I really want to do is this color right here, which is called Blaze, because I think this is a really pretty kind of bronzy color that would look gorgeous all over the lids. So we need a color to pop into the crease. So I think we're gonna go into the Huda Beauty one and we're gonna take this color right here and I'm going to blend that into the crease. All right, so I'm gonna go into Blaze now, but I really want this to be really shimmery. So I'm gonna add a little bit of Matte Fix Plus here and I'm using the Sephora number 14 brush and I'm just going to pack my brush in here. And I'm gonna apply this all over the lid. I'm gonna go back into the Huda Beauty palette into that same color that we did that transition with. And I'm gonna kind of pack this on the outer portion of the eye just to kind of add a little bit more dimension to it, like so. Now I'm gonna take that same color that we did in the crease and I just used, and I'm gonna put this underneath the eyes. I have a feeling this will really make my blue eyes pop. All right, we definitely need liner, but we need liner that is brown, I think. I think brown liner would be perfect for this look. Let me hunt my collection for a brown liner. All right, so I'm gonna use this Lancome one. This is the Grandiose Liner in 40 NB. And it's really cool with this thing because you can actually like turn it like that anyway to kind of get better grip. And that's what it looks like right there. I'm just gonna do this like my normal wing. Hopefully I don't block it with the mirror. Okay, so honestly, this was kind of like hard to use. It was a little dried out, I feel like. It just wasn't the best. And then what I did is I actually took this color right here from Jouer with my Luxie 221 brush right here. It's just like a flat definer brush. And I actually took this shade right here and I put it on top to make it more mattifying. I'm gonna fix it up. It's a little jagged up on top. I'm gonna fix that up once I put my lashes on. But we're gonna try out a new mascara here. And this is the Milk Makeup Kush Mascara. So from what I've been reading and everything, don't worry, it doesn't have like, I don't think it's like, it's not gonna make you high or anything. It's, I don't know, there's like a whole thing about it, but don't worry, it's safe. So I'm actually going to apply my lashes with this right now. Okay, so this eye has the mascara, this eye has nothing. I'm gonna look up and then look down. I think this one's really nice. It doesn't like clump on you. It's not too much product. It's actually really easy to coat your lashes with, which I really enjoy. So you're not, it's gonna be harder to like make mistakes with it. If you know what I'm saying, like it's not like super wet or super dry. It's just like a great consistency and I could feel like you could definitely layer it up too. I really like this one actually. I like this one a lot. All right, so for lashes, I'm gonna use the e.l.f. Luxe Lash Kit. This is the Wing and Bold one. I actually just tested these ones out in a previous video and I really wanna use them again because I actually really enjoyed these lashes. So I'll be right back right after I apply these. All right, so now onto lips. I have this new lipstick from NARS. This is from the Erdem collection. It's the shade Moon Orchid. It looks like this is not going to go. Not going to go. Okay, so I have this new one from NARS right here for lips, and this is the Orgasm, what is it called? It's the Afterglow Lip Balm. So I'm just gonna put this on. Oh, this is really nice. This is really nice. Ooh, I'm just gonna leave it as that. I also have a lip gloss right here from the Patrick Star collection. This is the new one they just did, and this one is in, there's numbers right on top of the name, so I don't even know what it's called, but it's this one. It's the pinky one. He has another one that's a little bit more nude, or like a warmy nude, but I think this color is really pretty, and it's also really moisturizing too, which I think is perfect for the summertime because we don't want a lot on our lips. We want it to be more moisturizing, more lip balmy, and it's more comfortable when you're out in that heat. So yeah, I think that's really pretty. All right, so there's one more product that I wanna try out. This is the MAC Strobe Body Lotion, which I thought would be really pretty, you know, to put like up here on my like chest area. Just to try it out, this is an opalite, O-P-A-L-I-T-E. Opalite? I don't know. So let me actually take off my ring so I don't get lotion all over it. So this is what it looks like right here. It looks like it's like got like a pink tint to it. Oh, I thought this would be so cool. We're gonna put it on the shoulders. Oh, this is pretty. And I think this is a good one for if you're fair. Ooh, this is moisturizing too. Dude, you guys, my skin is so soft right now because I literally drench myself in moisturizer, like body butters, all day, every day, like literally multiple times a day. I usually use that Visha one before my bump and everything. Oh, great. Now my chest is gonna get all red because I'm touching it. Like I can like barely tap it like this and it will get red. Dang it. But let me put a little bit more on the shoulder so we can really see it glow. Oh, look at that. That is pretty. Oh, I like this. Ah, yes. Okay, I think they have other colors too. So if they do, I'll definitely like link it down below for you guys. But I think this one is really pretty for fair skin. It's got like a little shift of light pink in it. It's really pretty. I like this one. Yeah. You know what we could totally add? We could add some, hang on this. We can have some highlight. We're gonna add this one right here, the middle one, because I am so fair. So I can hit those marks. Get my collarbones out. Hit those marks right up there. And then we could add a little bit on the shoulders. That's pretty. That's pretty. Now just until the redness goes away. That'll go away in like probably 5 minutes or so. But yeah! Last but not least, we need to spray our face with some MAC Prep and Prime. This is the Fix Plus. This really helps. Like I honestly have a little one that I leave in my backpack at all times. I like spray it throughout the day. It just refreshes the makeup. If you're starting to look a little powdery, it melts everything together. It just looks so good and it helps prolong the wear of makeup. So I definitely recommend this. I have sensitive skin, so this one works out really well for me, but stay away from the rose if you have sensitive skin because the rose broke me out really bad. The regular one, original or coconut are the ones that seem to work really well for me. So just little heads up there. All right, so this is the completed makeup look, testing out those new products, kind of a really nice, light, summery, radiant, glowy makeup look using all those new products. And I like it that it's really nice and lightweight on my skin too. I know it's a little bit more on the neutral side with the eyes. It's very easy. These are the kind of looks that I like to wear for an everyday basis. I love stepping out of the box and trying bolder looks. But lately, like, I don't know, I like to be more just neutral colors, easy on the eyes, just very glowy and just focusing more on skin. And yeah, so this is what I came up with. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Again, let me know. I always get recommendations from you guys. Let me know in the comments down below what you want to see next or what products you want to see reviews on next. I'm really catching up with products here, so I cannot wait to do another PR haul so we can test out more stuff. But yeah, I will see you guys in my next video.